Learn how to set up a paid membership plan on Tonda with this comprehensive step-by-step guide. You'll master naming your plan, outlining benefits, setting pricing, and finalizing your membership to manage payments and activities within your community effectively. Open the main menu by selecting the menu icon. Navigate to the Memberships section to manage membership plans. Initiate the creation of a new membership plan by selecting Create Membership Plan. Enter the membership plan name. Enter a descriptive and clear name for your membership plan that describes that subscription category. For example, new writers. Proceed to the next step by clicking the Next button. Locate the field to describe the benefits of the membership plan. Begin typing a detailed description of the membership benefits to attract members. Write down a description which identifies and attracts the person who needs and wants what you have to offer right now. Think through what stage of life or career they are in, and where they would like to go next or how they would like to go through that stage. Use descriptions that resonate with them. Include their desires to show that you understand who they are. Pause to verify the description's completeness and appeal. Click the Next button to move forward in the setup process. Select the Price field to set the membership cost. Clear any default values in the price input area. Choose the billing frequency by selecting options like every 6 months. Click Next to continue to the Select the first benefit field to begin listing membership perks. Remember that people pay for progress. So you need to write examples of the best-case scenarios for members in terms of the progress they will have because of being a member of your community. Write answers to questions like what can your members do a year from now that they can't do today? What would make the next 12 months in your community the most memorable or meaningful? What does a day in their life look like a year from now because of being in your community? Who have they met? What unique opportunities and experiences have they had? Select the fourth benefit field to add a final perk. The members' big wins is a definitive picture of the potential rewards, or value, or benefit, or the version of their life that they will get because of being in your community. Membership should offer tangible progress towards member desires. Click Next to proceed to the final review. Select the community to add the membership plan to. Click Create Membership Plan to save your new plan. View the newly created membership plan to confirm its details. Check the membership plan status and see which members have joined so far. Review the pricing information displayed, such as UGX 150,000 biannually. This guide details how to create and configure a paid membership plan on Tonda, including naming the plan, describing benefits, setting pricing, and finalizing the membership. It ensures you can confidently set up a membership plan tailored to your community's needs.